why 0 and 1 were not at first treated as a real number. 0 was not at first treated as a real number because before 0 was considered like nothing, an unreal thing, and then man didn't need to create a number for a thing which doesn't exist. The morons were ignorant about 0. They didn't want a number for nothing, and it's a Greek astronomer who gave firstly 0 a life. About 1, the Greeks still here. Many Pythagoras made 1 the center of the universe, so for him one was the center of all, and it couldn't be a real number, and if it didn't represent a real thing which we can touch. 1 is also a number which represents only one thing, so then one is also a number which represents only one thing, so the man didn't need to create a number to express one thing. Now 0 and 1 are the two numbers which form the binary system in the center of the technology. So, what was the purpose of accepting the root of -1, and when was it done and by whom? So, the root of -1 doesn't exist because it's an imaginary number. Mm-hmm. It's not a real number, not a rational number, but a complex number. So the root, we can say I for the root of -1, and it's equal to I squared is equal to -1. So the first roots of negative numbers appeared on the 16th century by Cardano. It's an Italian mathematician. Cardano used the root of -15 to solve equations. After Euler invented I, and in 1777, but I wasn't still considered as a real number because it was just an imaginary number. And finally, it's thanks to Carl Gauss that the complex numbers were considered as full numbers, and now complex numbers are defined by a couple of numbers.
Exactly. Very good.
It's around 3000 before Christ that the first Russian appeared in the region of Summer to share part of something to the men. Today, the region of Summer is located between Iraq and Iran. The region of Summer is here. The first form of negative number appeared in China in about 300 before Christ, but we can say they were real numbers because the numbers were not invaded. The real negative number were invaded by Mohammed. He is an Indian mathematician who lived in the 6th and 7th centuries. So we can see that is a fraction which came first. When 0 was firstly accepted as a number and why? The using of 0 was adapted from the Babylonian method by Hipparchus, a Greek once more. Astronomer and mathematician born in 190 before Christ and dead in 120 before Christ. In 140 before Christ, because the scientists needed to be able to express a zero value or an empty position or a sort of point of reference to count or measure something. Today 0 is very useful mainly in the binary system and also to give bad mark to students.
You're totally right.